just because you've got the most top-of-the-range X5 available right now, that doesn't mean it isn't getting stolen whilst you watch this video. Now, I know I say that so flippantly, your car could be stolen as you're watching it. I know it's not a joking matter, but unfortunately, we hear about it daily from our customers, and we've got a product that stops it. So come inside and I'll show you what we can do to make sure your vehicle stays in your possession. Now, there's a lot of options for security systems. Don't get me wrong, we've got trackers, we've got alarms, we've got top-of-the-range security systems, and then we have the most simple package called the Autowatch Ghost. Now, this is the most cost-effective, cheapest way of really securing your vehicle. Now, if you don't know what a Ghost is, which some people are still not aware of how the product works, it's very simple. It is a digital immobiliser which doesn't allow the vehicle to either be started or driven off without putting in a personal disarm sequence, which is used using the factory buttons in your car. A bit like a PIN number for your credit card, this just uses buttons as opposed to numbers. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example of what happens if this thief was to either nick these keys or actually amplify the keys, which you've probably seen on videos where they hold a device outside the doorway and they rob your car within 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to start the car up like normal. Got the key, obviously. I'm going to put this vehicle in drive. No, I'm not. Well, I am, but it's not actually held it in drive because the car has now realised that the disarm sequence has not been put in and the car has now stalled. So what happens, right? It won't allow them to obviously go anywhere, okay? It allows them to start it on this particular platform, but as soon as I put the car in drive, it stalls it, and it will keep doing that. It will not ever stop doing that unless you put your code in. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you do put your disarm sequence in. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to put the, just a generic code in for now, which has been done using the right-hand side of the steering wheel in this matter. I'm going to get the indication come on, which tells me my code has been entered right. And now I'm going to put it in drive, and lo and behold, it doesn't stall. It allows me to drive off. Simple as that. Now, unless you're unlucky enough for someone to know your code, it's safe to say that's pretty damn secure. They'll be able to start it, but as soon as they put it in drive, it will stall. Now, if you were to, say, give your car to a garage, valeter, tuning company, anyone that wants to drive your car about in a very small manner, but not necessarily you want to give them your code, there is a service button in this vehicle, which means you can turn the Ghost off temporarily. And it's as easy as 5 button presses as this button here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what happens is the indicators will flash back at me now 5 times. The car has told me that I've turned the immobiliser off via a code on the screen, and now it is temporarily turned off so the person or the company can drive your car about and do what they need to do. Simple as that. It's a temporary override though. It will be turned off if the car is driven for roughly more than 15 minutes without stopping. So if your car's got to go on a long road test for whatever work you haven't done, I would tell them or change the code to an easy code that's not your code. Simple as that. This Ghost product is fantastic, no doubt about it. We've been fitting it since 2016, so one of the oldest Ghost installers in the UK, and it's one of our favourite products. That is about it. Don't need to explain anymore. We can fit this on probably 90% of vehicles out there, you know, anything from about 2006 onwards. But yeah, that's about it for the Ghost. Any questions, drop us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Send us a message on WhatsApp if you want more information on this product, or drop us an email or phone call. But for now, that's Connor and the YouTube team. John Cleese Car Audio signing off. See you later.